Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're going to replace a shower head. Okay, so I'm replacing a shower head in the main bathroom in the house, and I thought while I'm doing it, I'll make a really quick video just to show you how to do it. Now, our shower head upstairs has been there for probably 5 years, 5 or 6 years maybe now. It was one of the first rooms we did in the house when we renovated, and the shower head is looking bad. So the actual rubber parts where the water comes out are disintegrating. So there's black bits coming out now on the kids' heads, which isn't great. It makes us look bad. So we need to replace the shower head. So we've got a new shower head. As you can see, this one is a Croydex square overhead shower head. I will link below in the description. So I think this was from Wix. So I will link below if it was Wix. If it wasn't, I will put the right link in there. It's a super simple shower head, as you can see. It's a square one. I think, what size is it? So this is a 200 by 200 mil shower head. Obviously you can get much bigger ones, but when we go upstairs to the bathroom, you'll see that the actual bath area or the shower area is quite small, so I couldn't take a bigger shower head. So if you are looking to replace your own shower head, you can do it yourself. It is quite a simple thing to do if you've got the confidence. Obviously, if you haven't, you can obviously get a professional out to do it, in terms of maybe a plumber, someone like that. But it is something you could tackle yourself as a DIY project. There is no issue with that whatsoever. So this video is just to show you how you can do it. So I'll stop talking, let's go upstairs and show you what's going on. Okay, we're in the bathroom and this is the shower up there, really horrible. I'll get some close-ups so I can show you how horrible that is. But you can see it's just behind there. Now we do have a mechanism on this shower to actually take the top pipe off. So there is a mechanism just there that I can loosen this off and this pipe will actually come out of this system. So I can actually take the whole pipe off, making it a little bit easier to take off the old shower head and install the new one. So I'll try and get that on video, show you how that works. Your shower may not do that, but if it doesn't, obviously you can just loosen it in place up there. We're just going to remove it just to make it a little bit easier to remove and fit the new one. So there we go, that's the actual shower head off with this pipe. So obviously we can take this off now just a lot easier rather than having to go over the top of the actual shower head. So we'll take this off now. I'll get some close-ups with the other camera just to show you how bad this was. Then I'll show you the new one fitted onto this. Okay, we have the new shower head. Obviously we show that downstairs. So I'm going to attach that now to the actual pipe or the actual fitting. So I'll show that now. Okay, so now we're fitted, we're going to take this and install it obviously back onto the pipe to push that pipe back in, the same we pulled it out before. So that's fitted now, tightened up just a little bit with the actual adjustable wrench. So that's finger tight and then just tightened a little bit more just to secure that in, so we are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to install that back onto there now. Okay, there the shower is installed. I'm just going to turn the water on now, make sure it doesn't leak, anything like that. All done, back downstairs. Okay, back downstairs just for a quick outro. Obviously the shower head is now fitted. Hopefully you saw that quite well on the video. As you can see, you can replace the shower head in place. I didn't, I took that top section of pipework out just to make it a little bit easier just to unscrew that shower head. If you do it in place, it can rock the shower, the actual piping a little bit, and may loosen any screws that you got into the wall. It shouldn't do, but I just wanted to make sure it didn't, so that's why I removed all that piping out of the actual shower. Your shower might not let you do that, so obviously you would need to actually do it in place. You could maybe get one person to hold the pipe really steady for you while you undo it with a spanner. Obviously you saw in the video upstairs that we actually loosened off the original shower head, or the old shower head, with a spanner, an adjustable spanner, and then undid the rest with my fingers. Obviously the other way around, when you're putting the new one on, you put the new one on finger tight and then just adjust it, just tighten it in with an adjustable kind of spanner, and that will be fine. You don't want to over tighten it and break that thread or anything, but until it goes and just to the point where you can't really go anymore, you should be absolutely fine. So there we go, a shower head replacement done really easily, really quickly, really cheap as well. Obviously you can get different types and shapes and sizes and prices of shower heads. Some are quite expensive, some are really expensive actually, I saw. So obviously get the right one for you. Obviously the more you pay, usually the better quality, maybe the longer it'll last with the seals that are inside the actual shower head. So totally up to you, but obviously the principle is still the same in terms of replacing. So hopefully you've liked the video, or it's at least been informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the actual install or the replacement that we did, drop that question in the comment section. Anything I've done wrong, anything we could improve on, anything you want to shout out to other people watching the video, please do drop that in the comment section. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more DIY projects, giveaways, tech reviews, garden projects, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.